Welcome to the video preview of Kundera, a Polyglot Object Mapper. One of the major challenges in NoSQL world is the learning curve involved to start using a NoSQL data store. Another challenge is faced in making a choice from multiple types of data stores available in the ecosystem. Also, there are some complex applications which might require using multitude of data stores in it with no single solution available. And this is where Kundera comes into picture. Let's understand this by building a user tweet system using Kundera. We will cover the following in this demo. We'll use multiple databases in one application. We'll switch databases by just a mere configuration change. Here, the user data will be saved in MySQL. The tweet data will go to MongoDB, and the videos related to the tweets will be saved in Cassandra. A sample app is available at the following link on GitHub, which can be downloaded in the following manner. It is a Maven-based app, so once downloaded, you can build the same by doing a mvn clean install. Prepare it to import it in Eclipse. Now once the app is built, import it in Eclipse. As I said, it is a Maven-based project, so there has to be a POM where the dependencies for Kundera are included. The dependency for Cassandra, MongoDB and RDBMS are included in the following manner. Now as I said that Kundera is an object mapper, a user object mapping to the user table needs to be created. Again, to create secondary indexes for an object, index collection annotation can be used and the specific attribute can be specified. The tweet objects are linked to the user object by one-to-many, specifying a join column. Tweets containing the video are again specified with one-to-many annotation and a join column. The video object does not have any other associated objects, so this is what it looks like. Now in order to specify the mapping of which objects needs to be persisted in which data store, we need to create a persistence.xml which specifies the details of the type of data store and the corresponding object mapping. Here, like RDBMS contains the user object, MongoDB contains tweets, and the Cassandra PU is mapped to the video object. Now, how to perform the operation or how to actually persist the data in all the three data stores. All you need to do is create an entity manager factory instance for all the three persistence units that were specified in persistence.xml. Create an entity manager object to perform the operations. Populate the data from the Excel sheet. This is a view of the way the data is actually organized in the Excel. Now the execute a service, which in turn is called to call the method persist on EM, which persists the user object by calling em.persist. Now the user object is built by populating the data from the Excel sheet, and this is how a user object is built. The basic details, the tweets are added on into the user, and the videos associated to the tweet are added as shown. Now simply run the project and your job is done. As we specified, the user data is stored in MySQL. The tweets data is persisted in MongoDB. And finally, the video data is saved in Cassandra. So just by using 2 simple lines of code, creating an object, you were able to persist the data across 3 data stores. Now say your use case demands that you save videos in MongoDB, whereas the tweets in Cassandra. So all you need to do is change the mapping in persistence.xml. Execute same 3 lines of code, that is, create entity manager factory, create an entity manager to perform operations, and then call persist. Now as desired, the tweets data is saved in Cassandra. Whereas the videos are persisted in MongoDB. So a mere configuration change has enabled you to switch the data stores with minimal effort. This is the magic of Kundera. By building the application using Kundera, several technical challenges have been overcome. That is, data across multiple data stores is saved easily by mapping the object, and it is the JPA abstraction supported by Kundera which has made the job so easy with minimal learning. Also, with the change in requirement, the data store switching has been achieved by a simple configuration change, and it is again the JPA compliance which has led to the reuse of code. Indexing was equally simple to achieve by specifying the attribute to be indexed within index collection annotation for the desired object. This can be done with Elasticsearch or Lucene by adding an indexer property in persistence.xml. This was the video preview of Kundera. Please visit our website or write to us at kundera@impetus.co.in. You can also check out the sample lab and its source code downloadable at GitHub.